Hey guys, me Joey, back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing a quick tutorial on how to copy things in your inventory and paste them onto a new world, or just paste them in general. So, hold the thing that you want to copy. For me, I'm going to use Operator Kit by Sus because that's what I have inside my inventory at the moment. So I'm just going to move this up. It even copies the number you have. So, hold it. Hold whatever you want. Okay? Click this. It's not going to be purple for you. I just have a free infinite version of Toolbox. So, yeah. It's not going to be purple. It's going to be normal Toolbox color for you unless you have infinite. Turn on MBT editor. Then, just drag this down a little bit so that it's not overlapping it. Click on it. Then, make sure you're selected on sword. Make sure it's on the sword. Not the creeper, the sword. Once you have that, you click these three dots. Click Edit Mojangson. Then just copy everything here. So like do that. So like just click twice on something, or click once right here or something. Just double click on one word. Tap Select All. Then tap Copy. Then just go to an open slot, or if you have just random stuff in your inventory, like, because I do not want this right here. I don't want this. So because I don't want this, I could paste it on this. Just go to an open slot or something you don't want. So I'm just going to do the something I don't want. Then make sure you're on sword. Click this. Edit. Select all. And then paste. Because you're pasting what you copied before. Paste. Then tap done. And it completely copies what you had. It copies the amount you had. It copies everything. So, once you've copied whatever you wanted, so you go here, sword, three dots, edit, select all, copy. Once you have whatever you want copied, you can go into other worlds and copy it too, and paste it there. So like, let me save and quit, and I'm gonna go into a different realm. Might take a little bit to load in, but that's okay. I'm using an Android emulator, so it's a little slow for me. I'm just going to load into a different realm, and I will paste that in there. So, I'm going to wait for this to load out. Come on. Okay, so let's go into a different realm. Let's say, I'll just do, I don't know, I'll do this one, Infinity Anarchy. Let's do that. So, once I'm on Infinity Anarchy, I'm going to let it load up. Might take about a minute or two. It can skip forward if you want. If you haven't skipped forward yet already, I recommend skipping forward because it's taking a little bit. Okay, it's finally loading me in. Sorry it's going slow. There we go. Okay. Loading. Almost in. Here we go. Okay. So, just go to an open slot in your inventory or a slot of something that you don't want. So, I'm just going to do the open slot now. So, now once you're in that open slot, just click this. Oh my god, I'm going to get demonetized. Click these 3 dots. Make sure it's on sword. Click these 3 dots. Click edit. Then double click on something. Select all. Then tap paste. And there you go. Tap done. And boom, you have that thing from the other world on here now. Place it down. It's got everything that's inside of it. Just waiting for this to load up. It's a little slow. There we go. It's got all the things inside of it. Just like the last world. And there you go. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.